Okay, I have with me here today another bronze MeisterSinger single-handed watch. This is the Metris, which is kind of the MeisterSinger waterproof watch, if you will. Kind of a more of a sporty timepiece than their other watches. And as far as the bronze line goes, definitely the sportiest timepiece they offer. So I'm just going to start off by saying this does not come on this strap initially here. This is me putting this on a real goofy blue rubber strap just so I can go diving with it. I'm filming this before I've actually gone diving with it. This is almost brand new, straight out of the case. You can see that bronze bezel of high polish, and also the flanks of the lugs there, the high polish and brushed contrast. Side of the case is brushed. Screw down case back, giving it that 100 meters water resistance, hence the sportier sort of rating there. It has a screw down crown with the MeisterSinger logo on it there. This watch is 38 millimeters, so it suits pretty much all wrists. You're not going to have trouble wearing this on a bigger wrist because it actually wears quite a lot bigger. I've got an 8-inch wrist and it looks really quite good on my wrist. But also you'll be able to go down to, I would say, a 6-inch wrist as well. Now, it does have the date. It has got a loomed indices there with the Arabic numerals, and also the main time-telling hand is also loomed. So that's actually quite a nice change. I'm looking forward to seeing how that goes underwater. And it should be mentioned as well that it does come with a bronze pin buckle with the MeisterSinger logo there on the actual pin buckle itself, which is a nice touch because usually you get a PVD black pin buckle or something like that. It's about 13.8 to 14 millimeters thick there, making it wear pretty snug. You could even wear this because of the slope of the bezel under a cuff, and I have a feeling that you'd get away with it quite nicely. Now, I will actually show you the factory strap it comes with, though, as I said, I did take this one off because it's weird. It's their sporty watch, but it comes with a sort of a calf leather, quite a nice strap there, but obviously not something you can take in the water. So I'll grab that one for you, and we'll finish off here with a loom shot as well. So this is the actual strap that it comes with. You can see I've taken it straight off. It is quite a nice strap. It's quite substantial. You can see there it's not just a thin strap, but it's very soft, very supple. So I'm actually, I think you could dress this watch up or down. Obviously the blue is a pretty loud sort of color there, but it was the only 20 millimeter strap that I had. These lug width here is 20 millimeters, and so that's what I put it on. But this is the factory strap here. Back with that MeisterSinger loom shot, and look at that. For a MeisterSinger, that is really, really good. So quite clear. I'm looking forward to using that underwater.